In our previous lesson, I have shown you some examples using external CSS file. When you say it is external, that means that you have two files that you are working with. One is HTML, the other one is the CSS. The CSS is the external file. Okay. One document is for the content. The CSS file is for the design. I have separated. When you separate, it is called as external CSS file. For this particular example, I'm going to show you the same designing method, but we are using internal CSS. Not external, internal CSS. Whenever you are using internal CSS, that means the CSS coding is located at the same HTML file. Okay, where will it be located? It will be located at the head part. Remember, this was the part that you put in your link statement. Now the link statement have been removed. That means I don't want to use any external file. Everything I want to put it as internal. How to start? You need to have the style tag. Close your style. Okay, the style tag. Inside the style tag, you put type text CSS. Remember this? This was also in the link tag. The same thing. Alright? So this is how internal CSS is put in. You need to have this. So where to write the codes? You write the codes in between these two tags, this area. Okay, so now let's do a bit of styling for the main title. Okay, as you can see here, I've done a bit of modification in the content. I've put in two lists. Alright, the rest is the same. So if I run, this is what I have. Main title, subtitle, two lists. One is UL, the other one is OL. Now, let's make the main title a bit nicer. Alright, so what is the tag? H1, right? So inside the internal CSS location, the style, we put H1. Okay, then you put in your curly braces. Let's change the color. Color, change it to maybe orange. Okay, change it to orange. So save and refresh. Okay, now this is internally formatted. Alright, H1 has been internally formatted. Let's put in a border. I want a border for my H1. So how to put in border? Border, colon. Okay, first thing, specify the thickness of your border. I want the thickness to be, let's say, 3px. I want a different pattern. I want dotted. A dotted pattern. That means it's dots. Okay, and I want it to be blue in color. Semicolon. First, it's the thickness, then it is the pattern, then it is the color. If I save and I refresh, can you see? Okay, blue dotted 3px thick border. Okay, so if you don't like it, you can change it to solid. If solid, meaning you'll have a solid line. If you don't want, you want it to be dashed, then you have dash. Okay, you can also have double. Double meaning you'll have two lines. Can you see? Let me zoom for you. Can you see the double line? Okay, so it's up to you how you want to arrange it. Okay, now let's say you want to change the bottom, the two list. Alright, so one is OL, one is UL. Okay, so here what we can do is we can put, okay, let's do for UL first. So put in UL. So you want to change the color to, let's say, a red, semicolon. What will happen? There will be a red color list. Okay, I want to change the bullet pattern. Okay, so list style type. Okay, list style type. I want it to be square. Semicolon. Save. Refresh. So you can see it is a square. Alright. If I put in circle, then I'll get circle. Okay. What about OL? Okay, what about OL? Let's put in OL. Okay. List style type. I can put it as upper Roman. Okay, upper Roman. Save. Refresh. Okay, I can have capital Roman numbers, that is upper Roman. If I put in lower Roman, it will be small letters. If I put lower alpha, okay, I'll get ABC. If I put upper alpha, I'll get capital ABC. Okay, so you need to memorize list style type. Okay, what if I don't want the normal patterns. I want my own image. Alright, so let's do it for UL. List style image. Okay, just now it was list style type. Now list style image. Okay, let's see what image I have. Okay, there's a small image here. Smiley. It's a PNG file. Alright, so I'm going to put this as the bullets. Alright, so smiley.png. So here I put URL smiley.png. Okay, list style image, not list style type. Save and refresh. Can you see the smiley? It doesn't look very happy. Okay, so you can put images for your list.